Hello everyone. Today I'll tell you about the Binary TRX 50 strategy. Its strength is that it doesn't overload the chart with confirmations but makes you focus on one specific market moment. Binary TRX 50 uses a modified TRX as the working line, which serves as the basis for making trade decisions. For this strategy, use the MT4 terminal. I use a markets, broker and strategy links are in the description. Install the indicator and template in the terminal. In the terminal, you need to go to the main menu and click on Open Data folder. A folder will open. You need to copy the file with the TPL extension into the templates folder. After that, open the MQL4 folder and copy the file with the EX4 extension into the indicators folder. Next, you need to restart the terminal and apply the template to the chart. The strategy settings are extremely specific. Timeframe is M5, the TRX indicator from the ready-made launcher TRX final set. Expiration time is 40 minutes. An important feature, entries are not searched for at any moment. The check is done at the 50th minute of every hour. If at the 50th minute the price is below the red TRX line, a buy trade is opened for 40 minutes. If at the 50th minute the price is above the blue TRX line, a sell trade is opened for 40 minutes. This strategy will not work during the release of important economic news, so always check the economic calendar before trading. The basis of the signal is not an impulse or a color change, but the position of the price relative to the TRX channel at a fixed point in time. Now I'll show you how this trading strategy works in practice. Today we're trading with the Pocket Ocean broker. The expiration time is set for 40 minutes, the trade amount is set for $100, and let's probably start opening trades little by little. The first trade is on the euro dollar, but let's find an asset. We regret to inform you that the euro-dollar exchange rate is currently unavailable, and unfortunately, euro-dollar remains unavailable at this time. So we'll skip this trade. Australian dollar, Swiss franc, we have a trade for a decrease. No, not available either. Euro Australian dollar. Euro Australian dollar is available. The percentage isn't that high, but I'll take the trade. The trading strategy is performing quite well, so it's worth taking the risk. Australian dollar, Japanese yen. I'm also opening a trade for a decrease. The percentage is low here too, of course, which is a bit disappointing. But it is what it is. I'm opening a trade for a decrease for 40 minutes. Alright, let's quickly open all the remaining trades. I'm a bit late here. Dollar Japanese yen. I probably need to open trades faster. Yes, the price dropped a bit here, but it's alright, nothing serious. A trade for a decrease and Euro British Pound if there's a trade for an increase. Euro British Pound is also unavailable, unfortunately. Well, it seems I've opened every single thing that I could. There was also the Australian dollar, Swiss franc, that's right. Looking at the chart right now, the current market price is trading significantly above the specific boundary line set by our indicator. The candle opened here, just below the indicator. Accordingly, you can open a trade for a decrease. This is already a new candle that formed at 1950, according to my current time. So there are no issues with opening trades. 4 trades, that's what I managed to do. Unfortunately, some assets are unavailable today due to holidays. But I hope that even these trades will bring a profit. Of course, even if there is a profit, it won't be very big. Here the payout is 42%, here it's 31%. And only here is there at least some decent payout percentage. I'll come back to you in 40 minutes and we'll see how these trades close. Well, let's sum up the results of the current trading session. All 4 trades are in profit. There were no surprises, everything is stable, everything is fine. And by the way, 2 of the trades are on the euro-dollar pair. There was no asset available to open a trade, and here too the price went up as well. The signal would have been profitable, and the second trade I wasn't able to open was the Australian dollar and Swiss franc. Here too the price dropped, the signal was for a decrease, and this particular trade setup would also have closed in profit, with approximately 36 seconds remaining on the clock until the first trade closes. Today, I also traded 10 times using this specific trading strategy, and only 2 out of all those 10 trades closed at a loss. Here you can also see exactly where I opened the trades and at what specific time. 40 minutes is the expiration time and the closing time, so this is precisely how this current trading strategy is designed to work. A total of 2 trades closed at a loss, and in the last few minutes they shifted into the loss zone. But overall there was a chance that these trades would close in profit. Yes, the trades are starting to close. The current ones, the first trade has already closed in profit. Australian dollar E. For 15 seconds everything will be fine here too, the price has dropped. It keeps dropping further. We managed to earn a little bit of profit on those first 2 trades. It wasn't a huge amount, just roughly $70 in total, but as I said before, the payouts were quite small right from the start. But I know that this trading strategy shows pretty good results. I still decided to take a significant risk, and my risk actually paid off a little bit. US dollar to the Japanese yen. Meanwhile, we had almost no time in the negative for 9 seconds since we have a 1-minute chart. In the MetaTrader 4 terminal, I have a 5-minute chart. That's why they look a little different visually. And there's still the Australian dollar and Swiss franc. Everything is good here too. So where is this asset of ours? Euro to Australian dollar, by the way, the price has also gone up here. Yes, there's a decline here. Everything is going absolutely great. The last trade will have a profit. It is not particularly large, coming in at slightly more than $200. But still, I hardly had to do anything at all. I just opened the trades. Right now I have... Currently, the local time is 8:30 in the evening. The time is actually displayed a bit incorrectly here, but 40 minutes ago I opened 4 separate trades, and all 4 of those successful trades closed in profit. And here are the current results for this trading strategy today. As I said, only 2 trades were losses and 12 trades were profitable. If you liked this trading strategy, there is a link in the description to download the indicators. And of course, don't forget to leave a comment with your thoughts about this trading strategy, give it a like and subscribe to the channel. And of course, I wish you successful trading. Goodbye everyone.